Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to tell you why you are going to love gays and Hispanic immigrants and ICE agents and black people and all different kinds of people. And this is theoretic, okay? But basically, what's going to happen is people are going to continue to abuse the environment. And global warming is going to get worse and worse. And when it does, all kinds of these natural disasters are going to happen continually more and more. And as houses continue to get destroyed by fire and flood and tornadoes, etc., then people are going to be desperate. They're going to be out in the cold. They're going to be needing a place to stay. And hopefully a lot of people will evolve, no matter who they are, Republicans, Democrats, whoever, they're going to allow them to stay at their houses, or to at least sleep in their yards in a tent, for God's sake. And what this does is it forces people to realize that, hey, these are just people. These are people like me. They breathe and they shit and they think. They do all of these different things that people do just like me. And so they come together gradually over time. And it's not just the weather. It's their own health. Because the more people continue to not study natural health, and they just continue to eat poorly and live these lives where they're just chasing money, then the more sick they're going to get. And we're going to have disease. More and more dis-ease is going to hit. And when it does, some of us that have been eating really healthy and taking care of ourselves and thinking good thoughts and being positive and all the different things that are required to be healthy, we're not going to get sick. But all those people with weakened immune systems are going to get sick. And all of these extremes force change upon people over time. Okay, so I'm talking about 50, 100, 500, 1,000 years and beyond. So this is why we're all going to learn to love the ICE agents and the murderers, everyone. And it's part of God's plan, okay, for those of you that are spiritual or religious. And this, I'm also talking about people that think that their religion or their deity is the only deity, okay? If all of those deities were here and alive today, and they very well may be, they would tell you that you're wrong. And that everyone deserves to be treated equally and this and that. Now, am I saying that people that are doing things that are wrong are to be just immediately forgiven or something like that? No. I'm saying that everyone needs to come to more of a gentle, centered reality and stop being extreme. And I'll give you one example of that. This morning I was singing the song, "You're a Grand Old Flag." Okay, remember that one when you were a kid in school? And one of the lines goes, "Where there's never a boast or brag." And immediately, who did I think of? Who did I think of? Immediately. Donald Trump. Okay? Need I say more? So I want to thank you so much for joining me. Be well.